check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, guess what? I'm opening a 1984 Topps baseball cards. Today to win this kind of contest down there. Let's see what kind of buried treasures I'll find. Been a while since I opened these kind of cards. For the gum. Oh, crinkly. Uh-oh. Got batting and pitching leaders for the Marlins. Always liked their old logo back in the day. Willie Wilson. Kind of tells you the backside of it. Bansal. He's kind of a cool player. I just liked him. He mostly knows like exposed. And there's a County Park in the background. Guys look very serious. I probably hate these pictures. You know, what's the point of? You can tell the same picture. That shot. Lenny squared. Nope. Band leaders, Lenny Smith and John Sniper. And their little backstory. Bob Crew had a good career. Hall of Famer. No, if you heard, I'm not betting. No. Read. Larry Bunch. Got a Hall of Famer. Richard. Goose Gossip. Oh, he's going to Goose. Your Hall of Famer right here. Hall of Famer. And there. Braves. The Braves, one of those teams. Steve Harrison. Didn't know it was Steve. I know it was Dave and Ricky. But I did not know there was Steve. And there it is. Woodton. Never heard of this guy. So that's pretty much it for the video. Only ones I guess is to gossip and Crew. Kind of cool. I'm very happy with that. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe I'll do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.